Good morning, everyone. I hope you're better today. So, let's discuss about the topic disassembling computer system unit in ICT-based way. So, before that, I'll show you a picture. Ask a questions. Have you ever noticed the picture is all about? Okay, very good. The picture is all about computer system unit and its parts, such as power supply, CPU fan, RAM modules, hard drive, SSD, cooling fan, cables and connectors, expansion slots, and it's also the graphics cards. So, to further understand the lesson, I have here a video tutorial that explains how disassembled computer system unit step by step. Okay, please watch the video. Okay, I hope everyone understood the topic. So let's move on to our activity time. So since everyone already has a knowledge about the topic, so let's move on to our activity. I will divide you into groups of 4 members for a hands-on activity. So count 1 to 4. Okay, since we have a limited time, I will allow each group to use a camera to capture videos and photos during this activity. Okay, I have noticed that majority of groups will done. So thank you everyone for the participation. So now let's move on to assessment. Since tomorrow is work from home day, I will send you a short quiz consisting of 10 multiple choice questions and 2 easy questions through Google Forms. And don't worry, I will give you a further instructions later. And also, I assigned a reflection paper based on your understanding of this lesson, together with videos and photos from the activity. And please submit them through Messenger. Are we good? Okay. Thank you, and that's the end of our lesson.